Morning, Mike.
Hello there, Roger. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. Yourself?
All right, thanks.
All right, let's talk the markets. After a little bit of a rough start to the week, it looks like it's bounced back.
It really has, and quite dramatically, Roger. We're looking this morning at markets up across the board. The Dow futures up better than 300 points. International benchmarks up 1.25% on average. You know, last Friday, investors didn't want anything to do with stocks because they didn't know what was going on with the coronavirus. So going into the weekend, they said sell, sell, sell. Started early yesterday morning, buy, buy, buy. They're coming back in. The economic implications of coronavirus should not be discounted because it is going to slow. It's going to slow China. There's no doubt about that. But does that necessarily have a longer-term effect? That is the bet that it's not right now. The price for oil down to a one-year low yesterday, seeing a little bit of a bounce this morning. And don't discount the political implications as well of what's going on in Iowa. And, you know, this all ripples through the markets because, of course, you know, the Republicans are already saying this morning, well, if you can't hold a caucus vote on your Democratic primary, you know, everything is tied together. And it is, in the early trade, seeing quite the bounce for stocks.
It's been a rather interesting week. Tesla. It's... I don't even know where to go with this.
It's
insane.
And you're not alone with that commentary, because what happened Monday was, again, an anomaly where you see Tesla, which had already jumped substantially from a market value perspective. It's making money. It makes about, it's targeting 500,000 cars a year. And its Panasonic joint venture in Arizona turned a surprise profit. But at the same time, a 20% gain in a single day for even a tech company is a bit of it's out of the norm, we'll say. But it got buy recommendations from a couple of analysts yesterday. One thinks it's going to $7,000 per share by 2024. Today, it's just above $800, and it's more than doubled over the past year. So I mean, it's again, there's momentum, there's mania, there's short selling, there's buying. You know, at some time, it feeds on itself. And I think that's a lot of what happened yesterday. And it's up again this morning by another 3%.
But the Lord giveth and the Lord taketh away, right?
We've seen that on a few occasions, haven't we, over just the past little while, whether it's Bitcoin or pot stocks or what have you. These things sometimes take on a life of their own.
All right, Mike, we'll see what happens with it. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.